Ka jingduna brio hakatnat pulit kadai ka daw ba eka sarkar ba ekatnat pulit hi kabu jing ban khanglat iki kamsneu ki balong beaiñ henrei watla kataru na kalyang jakatnat pulit haba ka yo jingtep marmar ka julej ban khangi ka jingle kam beaiñ yakanila pentep du ba Lahkmen Rymbui ubadeiru menteri sarkar ba pe ekatnat kampo yeng ka sarkar jilla ubala penpau ba bunsin katnat pulit kashem shitom bante lakam ka jingkhaïi beaiñ yu dewiong namar baduna brio pelat ki pulit.
This every now and then the people they are talk about this thing, that thing. So having said that, the government is trying to do its best to stop all the illegalities with the thing. But having said that, there is also a constraint. The constraint, as you know, I will tell you from the point of policing. Now we have already advertised about 900 odd posts, which the exam is going on right now, and we will advertising 848 posts shortly. So we from the police department, we are there is a shortage about 1,800 posts, which is lying vacant in the state. I'm talking more only about those posts of SI and below. So, and as you know also, the MPSC is in the process of recruitment of the officers. So with this shortage, it is not possible for the police to do everything. But I appreciate they have tried their best, and will try to do our best to see that this thing is stopped. And moreover, wherever they get information, the police are trying to rush and stop the thing at one. See, policing, we know where we do, as I said before, that we are trying to do, and we are trying to do maximum possible. So we are doing it, and we will do it. The mandate of the government is to see that all the illegalities could be wiped away. And I cannot deny the fact that drug is creating a social disorder and also is increasing everywhere. But the government of the Meghalaya Police, the anti-narcotic task force, the district police, and also in collaboration with the central agencies and other state, we are trying to monitor this issue so that this could be not anybody who is involved in this could be nabbed. And you have seen that there is a result also everywhere, time and again, that the police are napping, the police are caught this contraband item from the people, and swift action is taken against them. I didn't have the report with me that there is a nexus, but in all the criminalities you cannot rule out anything. So, but as I said before, there is no report as such till date which shows that. What I will reiterate here, that in all the criminalities, the criminal people will join hand with fellow criminal wherever they are. That is the nature of the criminal thing in this world, which we have seen everywhere.